Today we're making tiramisu truffles. Okay, they're actually not truffles, but who cares? They taste amazing. You'll need 1 package of ladyfingers, and there are usually 24 in them. And you'll need to crush or run them through a kitchen machine, so keep that one close. 3 tablespoons of coffee, 30 gram sugar, 140 gram cream cheese or labne, 350 gram chocolate for the coating, and 2 tablespoons of coffee powder for the coat as well. After you crushed your ladyfingers, add the sugar, whisk them a bit, and add the cream cheese and mix it either with your hands or a mixer. And gradually add the coffee into it. The dough we are trying to make here should be pretty sticky but still solidish. So if you feel that all the coffee is too much, just don't add all of it. But in case it did get too much, you can add another crushed ladyfinger into it. When you're done with mixing that, put the mass into a tray and put it in the fridge or freezer depending on your weather. Let it get firmer so that we'll be able to form the balls. After about an hour, take the mass and squeeze them a bit together so that it gets denser. Roll them any size you want. I went for the size of a walnut. But of course you can make them smaller and bigger of course too, but I think smaller would be even better. Now melt your chocolate and add the coffee powder into it as well and mix it thoroughly. Then dip those balls you have formed into them and let them rest in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. I wanted to spice it up a bit and melted some white chocolate in a plastic bag and made some stripes onto the truffles. Of course, this is optional, but it does give it a nice touch. After that has set as well, you can enjoy this yummy treat.
All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.